Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to create a grid effect with perfect squares in Photoshop. So the first thing you need to do is open all of your pictures from Photoshoot. I've got all my pictures open, they're all of these plants and flowers. And then we're going to make a new document, so File, New. And you want the amount of pixels, so make sure it's set to pixels here, to be divisible by 500. So I'm going to go for 1500, and the width and the height need to be the same. So both 1500, and we should get a square like that, a blank square. And then on your pictures, you choose one that you want to work with. I'm going to go for this one, it's really nice. I'm going to select the marquee tool, the rectangular marquee tool, and to select that I press M on my keyboard, or I can just click it. Now under style at the top, it will be set to normal. You change that to fixed size. So we want to fit our square into here perfectly at least 2 or 3 times. So I'm going to set the size to 500 by 500. Now you could do whatever you want as long as it fits into 1500. So I could do 300, and if I leave it at 300 by 500, the square will look like that. It's a rectangle, so then I change that one to 300 and I click, and then you get the square. Okay, so if I do that back to 500, and then I want the height to be 500, as long as these are both exactly the same and they fit into whatever size you made at the start on your blank document, you'll be fine. So this gives you a perfect square to work with all the time because it's fixed size. Okay, so all I need to do then is choose which part of the picture I'd like to copy. This bit's a bit blurry, that bit's not as interesting, so I'm going to go for this section here. And to copy it, you press Control C to copy, and then onto my document, a blank one, Control V to paste. Now, if I need to move that, I press V on my keyboard on its own, and I'll just move it up into the corner like that. So then I'll go back to another document, picture, sorry. I'll select the marquee tool by pressing M on my keyboard, click. This bit's a little bit blurry. This is a really nice part with the flower. So Control Copy, Control V to paste, then V on its own, and you can see it's the Move tool up here. So I'll put that there, and then I'm going to choose another one. I'm not going to go for a green colour because I've already got sort of greys and reds. So let's have a look at this one. M on my keyboard. This is a really nice photograph. So quite like this folded leaf. So Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Now actually I think I might just swap these two layers around. So you right click to select your layer, and you can move the, I might move that again in a bit. Let's try moving those two. And you'll end up with a grid of 3, 3, 3. Okay, so next one, let's choose, so press M on my keyboard, a section from this is a really nice section. Control copy, oops, Control paste, V to move, let's leave that there. Another green part, press M, select, move my box, Control C, copy, Control V, paste. Now, if I try and move that without pressing M, it cuts it. So that's what happens sometimes if you do it by accident. So you always need to move the box with a box tool selected. Okay. Let's go. Okay, this one, I've already selected this one. So I'll just press Control D to show you. Zoom, fit the screen, or you can zoom to actual pixels if you want to move in and out, or you can zoom. I'm just going to press fit screen, M on my keyboard, make box, quite like this shape of the leaf, that's really nice. Control C, Control V. Let's move that one to here. I think I need a little bit more green, so press M. These really nice shapes here, Control C. Control V. Maybe actually I'll swap these two, so let's move layer 1 down there, layer 7 here. And what I'm looking for is a balance of complex and simple shapes, really. So I've got quite complicated, quite simple, quite complicated, quite simple. Maybe I'll choose another part from this one. So M, a light part. The shape actually here is really nice. So let's Control C for that. Control V. Move that here. Move this red one down. Move the green one. So I'm trying to get a balance of colours. I think the red actually sticks out a little bit, so I'm going to select layer 2 and delete that layer. I'm not sure I like that one as much. Maybe on this one I'll move this around, and remember to move the box. You need to select the box, which is M. So I'll choose another part here, Control C, Control V. V to move that now on its own, V. Let's move that up. Okay, obviously I need a bit of green here, so I'm going to go back to this one. M to move, I'll choose a different part of the leaf. This bit's quite nice down here actually where it folds. Let's get that. Control C, Control V, and paste. Okay. So that's a basic grid. And it looks quite effective because we've got balance of greens, balance of greys.